My name is Mathieu St-Arnaud. I'm Chief Creative Officer at Normal Studio. We are a multidisciplinary creative studio founded in 2009 in Montreal, Canada. More than a simple project, I would like to talk about a framework, so a series of projects which we call Beyond. So we did Beyond Van Gogh, Beyond Monet, and then Beyond King Tut. It was used as the central hub for all the playback of audio, video, and also some lighting cues that were triggered from WATCHOUT using DMX. So for sure, the reliability of the system is central for us, as it needs to be able to play back 10 to 12 hours per day, 7 days per week in multiple locations. But it's the ease of use, the timeline, all the features that we are known, and we have a large community of programmers and operators that know well the system. What makes a great experience, we could think it would be new technology, AI, something we've never seen before or experienced, but it always comes back to memories that will last a long time after. We all have memories of childhood, or sometime in our lives we experience something. It can be a moment with a group of friends or a show or something amazing that we saw and we still remember it. I think that what makes a great show or a great event or a great experience is memories that last a long time after. We approach our work always considering 4 major aspects for any type of project that we undertake, which is multisensory, agency, flexibility, and also narrative. So multisensory is really engaging all the senses to create impactful moments, but also memories. Agency is to give the opportunity to audience members to actually decide how and with which content they actually engage with. The narrative is important, even if the story can be very abstract for the audience member. For us, we need something that we can explain everything that we did, so we need a story behind it. And then last but not least, flexibility, both from a creative and production standpoint. We need to be able to adapt when we're in a touring model, both creatively and as production also for operations. So having this flexibility in mind to be able to adapt to whatever space or market we want to decide to go to. That is my favorite question when I interview anybody for a job or a role or working together as a collaborator. And I always say there's no perfect answer, and I don't have a perfect answer for it. But right now, I would say that my perfect or dream project would be to create the next level of an experience where it is tourable and it redefines what it is to create a multisensory experience.